After Ishaq, the torch of prophethood was passed on to Yaqub. From an early age, Yaqub alayhi salam demonstrated moral excellence and a deep sense of piety. His unique devotion to God earned him the honorific title of Israel, meaning the servant of God. After nearly a century of disseminating God's message, Yaqub fell ill. As he lay on his deathbed, he gathered his children and asked them, "What will you worship after me?" They replied unanimously, "We shall worship God and the God of your forefathers, Ibrahim, Ismail and Ishaq, as one God, to whom we all shall submit." Pleased with their answer, he admonished them as Ibrahim alayhi salam had once admonished his own children. The Holy Qur'an makes mention of Yaqub's parting advice to his sons. In Sura Baqarah, verse 132, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala quotes Yaqub saying, "Ya baniya inna Allah astafa lakum ad-din, fala tamutunna illa wa antum muslimun." O my children, God has chosen for you the religion, so die not except in submission. My dear brothers and sisters, one practical lesson we learn from Yaqub is the importance of investing in our hereafter by raising righteous children. Unfortunately, most parents are only concerned about the material well-being of their children. But Yaqub alayhi salam on his deathbed expresses concern about the spirituality of his children. It is reported that the Holy Prophet ﷺ in a famous hadith once said, إِذَا مَاتَ ابْنُ آدَمَ انقطع عمله إلا من ثلاث صدقة جارية أو علم ينتفع به أو ولد صالح يدعو له. The Holy Prophet ﷺ once said, when a person dies, his actions cease except through three paths: charitable endowments, a legacy of knowledge, or a child who prays for him. And this is precisely what Yaqub was hoping for. He was hoping that after his demise, he would have a progeny that would pray for him and continue his work. We ask Allah Azza wa Jal to give us all the tawfiq to raise godly children who will remember us long after we are gone. Wa sallallahu ala Muhammadin wa alihi at-tahirin.